how to unsubscribe Netflix payments. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can unsubscribe to Netflix payments, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So Netflix will basically keep on charging you every month as long as you have your card details and if you don't cancel the membership. So if you want to unsubscribe from it, you have to cancel your membership of Netflix and there's no other way. And to do this, I would just tell you to open up your browser. Then open your browser and go to netflix.com and log into your account. So when you go to netflix.com over here, so let me just go to netflix.com as well. Then make sure you log into your account. You tap the three lines option from the top left. Then go to this little option that says account over there. Then once you go to the account option, simply scroll down. You can see these are my payment info. My next billing date is on 20th of February. So today's date is 15th of February, so if I don't cancel it, I will get charged on the 20th of February. So if I want to unsubscribe from this payment, I have to simply cancel the membership by tapping on cancel membership. Then just tap the finish cancellation option and then Netflix will stop charging you. That's the only way to do so. So this way you can go ahead and then basically cancel membership on Netflix or unsubscribe from its payments. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.